Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and if this is your first time watching my video, do well to click on the like button and click on the subscribe button down below to stay tuned for more amazing content like this. Now in this video we're going to be talking about the difference between front-end development, back-end development and full stack development. For better clarification, in this video I'll be making use of a food restaurant as a typical example. So stay tuned in this video to the end, because you are going to be learning something very important that will help you advance your web development career today. Anybody going into web development must go into one of these categories, either becoming a front-end web developer, back-end web developer, or full-stack web developer. And I know seeing you here means that you are about to make a decision that will change your life entirely. That's whether you will go for front-end development, back-end development, or full-stack development, just like me. Now let us go into front-end development. Front-end development, in my own terms, is defined as the graphical interface of the website, just like the buttons you see in the website, the images, the background, the icons, and a lot of those things. So being a front-end developer, you need to learn how to design a full website, how to implement the design aspect of it in a website. Now, going into a food restaurant, just see it as when you enter into a restaurant, the things that you see there, that's the food menu, the dining table, and the chair, and the spicy food that is being brought to you. Now, for technologies needed to become a front-end developer, you need to learn technologies like HTML, CSS, and little bit of JavaScript for animations and little designing of the website. With these three technologies I mentioned here, you'll be able to design a proper website to a standard. Now, secondly, going into the back-end development. Back-end development can be defined as the main functionality of the website. A back-end developer is the one in charge of handling when a user logs in. The back-end developer will write some code that will be able to save the user's login information, fetch the user login information when needed, fetch some data from the database, and do some major functionalities in a website. Now, using our food restaurant as an example, now look at back-end development in the food restaurant aspect as the area where food is being prepared, the part that you don't see when you go to a restaurant. That's when they cook the meal they serve to us, when they wash the plates, when they do a lot of preparation there. So back-end development is basically the side clients or people who visit the website don't see. Only the developers see that area, and that area is the area that carries the main functionality of the website. Now, for you to become a back-end developer, the required technologies that you need to learn are technologies like Node.js, then or you might go into Python, or you might go into PHP. These are the back-end technologies that are involved in today's world right now. Now, if you watch this video to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, or you haven't liked this video, please do it to click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content like this. Seeing your likes and your positive comments will really help to motivate me to create more amazing content like this. Now let's go to the final one. Having basic understanding on the front end and the back end development, I know by now you could have imagined what a full stack development should be by now. Now, full stack development is just the addition of front end technologies and back end technologies together. So if you want to be a full stack developer, you will need to have the idea of basic front-end functionalities and basic back-end functionalities to be called a full-stack developer, which means that you will handle both the front aspect of the website, that's the designing, layout, and some basic functionalities, and also the back-end, that's major functionalities of the website and handling users' data and all of that all together. Now, using our food restaurant as an example, now see full stack development as the manager of the restaurant, because he has the access to going to the back end, which is where food is being prepared, and also going to the front end to see how things are being served there. So you have the capability to do both the back end area of it and also the front end area of this. This is the same thing as being a full stack developer. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. I know by now you should know the difference between front end development, back end development, and full stack development. Now it's time to make your career choice, and if you find something confusing, or if you have any question, please do it to drop them down in the comment section. I will reply all your comments as soon as I get the notification. So thanks for watching to this moment. I really appreciate. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more updates and more videos like this. I would love to see you in my next video. You're welcome.